Hi there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted source for expert automotive display repairs, servicing, and genuine replacement parts. Today, we're focusing on a common issue affecting the Skoda Yeti MIB2 Bolero and MIB2 STD2 Amundsen sat-nav units. These units can come with single or dual memory card slots, and may include a CD player depending on the version. Now, over time, these displays can develop a range of issues. Here's what to watch for: a slow or completely unresponsive touchscreen, black marks or spots appearing on the display, scratches, discoloration or cracks, a screen that turns fully black or white, bubbling or delamination, or missing parts of the display altogether. Here under test, you can see the touchscreen no longer functions correctly. At Cluster Repairs UK, we provide a complete display and touchscreen repair service backed with a lifetime warranty, so you can have full confidence in the result. After our full display and touchscreen repair service, the screen looks brand new and the touchscreen responds perfectly. You can choose from our mail-in option, drop-off service, or a while you wait appointment. With almost 40 years of industry experience, 2 UK locations, and award-winning support, Cluster Repairs UK remains the trusted choice for professionals across the country. If you need more details or have any questions, just click the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.